Alright, so welcome to another travel vlog with TeppanBae. So if you're new to the channel, please do like and subscribe our videos. Yeah, hit the post notification bell on that bloody side.
Some potato salad. Tonkatsu with curry. Some potato salad. And then after we're gonna go to Wat Phnom, which to see the temples there. Turn you around, of course. After, we'll talk about it later.
Crying out like an animal out in the wild. I shout your name.
So yeah, we're almost at the Wat Phnom temple. So what do you call the Wat Phnom in English? It's a hill temple, right? The English translation. So yeah, here. So more to come. I regret saying this, but we cannot fly our drones here. Aside from Wat Phnom being as a temple, so the drone laws here in Cambodia, we cannot fly our lovely flying machines around temples. Yeah, and Wat Phnom, by the way, is located near the US Embassy, so yeah, cannot. Sorry. So yes, going back to the road trip.
14th century year or 19th.
So yeah, we're here at Wat Phnom. This is Wat Phnom is actually a hill temple. If you translate it into English, it is built around 1372. Am I right? So
yep.
1372. This is 27-meter high. So it is sitting on top of a hill. So the who's the one who discovered this one? It's Miss Pen. Miss Pen. Oh, Miss Pen. So she discovered some like Buddhist objects, something like that, for their like religion, something relics. And yeah, she established this temple here. So by the way, what can you say about the legend?
About the legend, we have the in 14th century woman named Pen.
Yeah, Miss Pen.
Miss Pen.
Yeah.
It's a Buddhist object nearby river. Wow,
So
it's a
she
river
found, yeah.
near in the river.
So yeah, so they've got a riverside. This is the riverside, I guess. So you know.
And
yeah.
and what we call Phnom Penh is the small city.
No, small hill.
Small hill. Sorry,
small hill.
Small hill.
So yeah, yeah, they were telling us, some of the locals were telling us that you cannot, it's not really cannot, but you must avoid bringing your spouse or your girlfriend or boyfriend here. Couples, yeah.
Couples.
You cannot go here as a couple because
We're getting separated.
they're gonna get separated, or we're gonna get separated. Yeah. So we don't know what's the reason behind, logical reason behind that, but yeah,
But if you see a
lot of couples there. So I guess we know why. So yeah. So we'll tour you around the Wat Phnom temple inside, and we're gonna try to show you all the things what to do and what to see inside the temple. All right, so
Okay.
let's go.
Let's go.
There's a big clock here. Oh, so what do you call that one? Is he the king? Something? Yeah, we're gonna go upstairs. that ends our journey to the Wat
Wat
Phnom.
Phnom.
This is
What we
temple.
call small hill.
Tempa. It's a hill tempa.
Thank you, Wat Phnom.
Thank you, Wat Phnom. Yes. I'll be seeing you next time. And if you're first time here, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our videos for more coming travel vlogs. Alright?
TeppanBae.
TeppanBae. Signing out. Peace.